This is Science Mentor, and I want to introduce you one of the most applicable software in a computer that may you need it in your everyday work. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft for Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. It features calculation or computation capabilities, graphing tools, pivot tables, and a macro programming language called Visual Basic for applications. As you can see in the blue frame, it has a window that your calculations will be shown there. Grid of cells arranged in letter-named columns and numeric rows. This is a cell, and you can start your calculation from one of them or input one of your data here. Excel has a lot of cells that are named from A to XFD for its columns and 1 to 1,048,576 for its rows. Title folder lies next to the quick access toolbar or on top of the Excel window. It displays the name of the open document. Menu bar at the top of the screen gives you access to different commands that are used for such tasks as opening and closing files, formulas, printing documents, formatting data, and other operations. Toolbar is just a collection of icons that provides a shortcut to using a drop-down menu. Toolbars offer quick shortcuts to uh, commonly used commands and can be moved and repositioned. The name box displays the cell that is currently selected in the spreadsheet. It is located to the left of the formula bar. The formula bar can be used to edit the content of any cell and can be expanded to show multiple lines for the same formula. As I said, there are different ways to access tools. For example, from title bar you can access to save button and etc. Also, you can click on the file to access to save, new worksheet, open, and so on. For example, from new tab, you can use different read templates based on your work. Let's start with worksheet. You can type numbers or a string into cells and Excel will consider it as data. To full number series, you should drag the autofill handle that is located in the right bottom of a cell to the range you have formatted in above steps and fill the number series. For date series, you can do the same. We type a call sign to start calculation in a cell. For instance, 3 multiplied by 5 is, as you know, is 15. Also, you can use cell's name in your calculation. or use other calculation. As you can see, 4 to the second power is 16. It's clear, but you can't do that. You can zoom in or zoom out your worksheet to be clear or to be more visible when you work with this sheet. Also, you can add sheets to your worksheet for extra calculations or other usages. By default, added sheets are named as sheet 2, sheet 3, etc. But you can change the name of them. Press right click and choose your name and then change the name of the sheet. Also, you can change the bottom's color to more noticeable in your work. There are different options. For example, you can hide the sheets or unhide it. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.